started to do it. Oh yeah, probably. Well, maybe not now, but at first, yeah.
Now she's saying, watch out for those trees! Watch out for those pole lights! Watch out for these lights!
Oh yeah.
It's a big deal. Look at her!
She seems like
She's talking. You got your eyes. Oh my God. Yes, and it turned the whole time. And see, it was my side that was going looking down at the ground. And he kept, I wouldn't look that way. Stephen said, oh, look over there. I said, I can't look that way, Stephen. I kept on looking over his way. I said, I can't look that way. He was part of my hand.
I decided we're not going to move the